Off we go.
Thanks for letting Steve the keys. Great locations.
It's alright.
And again, thank you for taking us.
Yeah.
It's not a problem, guys. Not a problem. Like I say, you can do return the favour for me when I come up your way to do the grain tower and whatnot.
Yeah. The grain tower, though, you have to go up the tide, so we have to be there before the tide comes out.
Yeah, that's fine. Just be careful of the steps before you go down. The steps disappear with the mud. Whoa.
It's our second deep shelter we've ever done, really, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah, it's obviously Dock Road deep shelter.
Yeah. How deep's that one?
It goes about 50. It goes quite far down on the ground.
Yeah.
Then goes up 3 stories.
So it's quite a big one then.
Yeah.
So you are now in South Foreland deep shelter over 200. Well, I think it's 200 feet below ground level.
Oh God, hello.
Your ventilation.
What's the red tape there?
Of course it does.
I don't care. Doesn't bother me in the slightest.
Yeah.
So if you look at it, one aspect, we actually drove above this. What's this?
So does Phil come down and check it?
Yeah, he does.
Well, see what damage has been done if people have done it.
Well, just make sure it's as they leave it. He knows he hasn't got to do that with me because he knows how I leave it how I found it. So I'm just going down there, trying to stay out his shot as best I can. It's spooky dark. What the fuck? What the fucking hell is this down here for? No, there's a bloody fridge down here. Yeah. Yeah, seriously. Here. Either a fridge or a refrigerator. That one down here the last time I came down here. I'm guessing with the blackness on the wall, the reason why the precaution tape there's been a fire down here. Because I can smell it. See, that way, that just loops back round that way. Behind you.
Is it same as the last deep shelter room, basically?
What? Z tunnels? Yeah, it's all interlinked. There's a staircase up that way.
Oh, cool. So you got everything else?
Yeah, go and have a look at hell. Tell me what you think.
So was it? Well, the last person I know that came down here was Simon. I know he wouldn't do something like that.
Like what?
Fire.
No.
It smells like there's been a fire down here recently. I'll let Phil know that later because it does smell quite badly a bit. Look, all the steel's buckled. Sorry.
I know. Oh,
I was getting out of the way of his light. Look at all the steel, especially on the ceiling, it's all buckled. You had a look at hell yet?
No. So, I said no, don't we?
Eh?
Oh, no, said no now, aren't we?
Yeah, I think so. What's that? Oh my days, makeup. Kimmy, you've been down here before with your makeup. Yeah, telling the stories, isn't she?
I'll tell me about it. Oh no.
Oh, something's falling on me. Oh, it's making my hair. Something's falling on me. Right, I see my hair on top. Come on. This is really clean for a deep shelter.
Yeah.
Yeah, wait till you go around that corner. But I can smell there's been a fire down here quite recently.
What exit?
No.
That's very deceiving.
What exit?
Yeah, it's not exit. It's all backfilled. Stairway to hell. Well, look at the boulders on the floor. I'll give you an idea of what's upstairs around the corner. Whoa, that wasn't there before.
The last level.
Oh yeah.
That tree.
No, it's metal fencing. It's metal. Metal fencing, wood, concrete. And you'll see why they call it Stairway to Hell when you get up here. Like, we're in South Foreland Deep Shelter at the minute. I'm at the top of it. There's what they've written on it, Stairway to Hell. You can probably see why down there. It's all backfill, which goes all the way up to the top. Been completely backfilled. I have already climbed up it once. It's very sketchy. That's why they call it Stairway to Hell. Look at this.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I actually crawled up this as far as I could get the last time I came down here.
No.
That goes all the way to the surface. That does. It's been completely backfilled. So we're only halfway up then, so that must go somewhere else. I'd love to find out where that goes to. If I can find out the map, the layout to it.
Do you say there was torn?
Yeah.
Whereabouts?
Come on the steps.
What's that?
Oh, one of the YouTubers I follow. There it is, found it. I'm going to take a picture of it.
Which one?
Oh, call my massaging. I'm going to take a picture. I sent him and say, like, looks like Tom's been to locations in Dover.
Yeah.
Just watch that going past that steel. See?
If you I messaged him like, right, I'm exploring the UK. Tom's been here. Commission visit. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind collaborating with him, actually, to be honest.
Oh yeah.
They're great to collaborate with.
A lot of shit like something.
Well, he's collaborating with his fans, so he comes to UK.
Yeah.
So you say it's been well looked after, this one?
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, it's alright. It's just all interconnecting again. This one is.
So the same last one, not much really.
No, not much, no. You got the pillbox out on the cliff edge, which is where we can walk to next if you want to go there.
Is there any more gated areas?
No.
No, is it?
It's all open. You can just climb in. It just means going through that fence that I told you about.